Since the dawn of humanity to the present day, humans make their mark, tell their story, assert their exception. The Carnot Institute's network embodies French scientific excellence to support uniqueness and know-how in fashion and luxury. Let's zoom in. At the heart of the Iridescence Center in Strasbourg, experts, engineers, and researchers sculpt the material. Their innovative and unique laser technologies, related to fundamental knowledge of materials, implement an infinite field of possibilities. What's their secret? First of all, the mastery of two lasers, nanosecond and femtosecond, to sublimate materials. Then, the talent of Iridescence engineers to control the light and create colorful effects from deep black to total iridescence, but also print color markings without additives. Micro-weld precious materials, micro-cut rare materials without altering them. Play with reliefs, machine them, polish them. All subtle interplay of materials is allowed. From material to spirit, Carnot and Iridescence bring together ideas and creations in fashion and luxury by reinventing the mirror and the reflection.